Under configuration, you can configure the platform to match your business needs. You can always change settings whenever needed. In system, you make the basic settings for your account, such as the account details, the system email, the language settings, etc. Under settings, you define your directory, the navigation settings, and how the course page and content are shown. Under user settings is where you define if users can sign up themselves or if they need to request access, define what information they must enter to register, and where permissions are set. Pick design to brand your solutions with logos, colors, etc. This is also a separate step up here. Under templates, you can design the notification templates. Under integration, you can set up integration with our integration partners, and you can also set up an API. And under e-commerce, you can set up your Stripe account and set your product prices if you've added the e-commerce subscription. You don't have to change anything here. You can finish your free trial without making any changes at all. To find more detailed help for each item, then click the question marks next to an item.